that you guys got to hear. So for the second time live in Taipei, because I played it at the So Wonderful Festival, Taipei, here's a Roll Your Boat. Can I get Roll Your Boat? Thank you for bearing with us, guys. We have some technical issues today. But I love you, though. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're so accepting audience. And I hope that you have a good time. So I'll use this time now, I will figure this out, to say that... Oh. There it is, right? Roll, roll, roll your boat far away from me. Cause I don't want anything to do with you, your friends or your family. Roll, roll, roll your boat, roll down my back. Cause honestly, I've had enough of you playing my heart. I'm done with that. Don't know what to say, but I'm fed up by all my emotions. You got me caught in your ocean. I'm trying hard not to drown. Your love is a magnet, you know you got superpowers. Every minute, every hour, you got me under your spell. But I can't stand your games no more. So roll, roll, roll your boat far away from me. Cause I don't want anything to do with you, your friends or your family. Roll, roll, roll your boat, rolling down the bed. Cause honestly, I've had enough of you playing my heart. I'm done with that. So damn beautiful. Let joy be damn hurtful. Cause you sure some know what you're doing. I'll be flying high like a butterfly, and you pull me down, ain't no reason why. I'll give you my all like a normal guy. Oh girl, you should try. Felt like I saw my vibe, but you was cold as ice. I need you to know by now, can't fix that. Oh, sing. I'm done with that.